Hey guys, it's me Josie here, and also John. Now you're probably wondering where we've been, and I'm just gonna go ahead and say we've been in prison. I ain't gonna fucking lie, we done some shit. John's obviously still taking meth, and we still got the bikes, guys. So what we're gonna do is do a little flyby for you guys. Oh hello, and because we've done the valves, we've done some shit. You see? We've done some. Oh my god. Fuck yeah, John. That was nice, wasn't it? Okay. Let's cut it off. See you later, guys.